Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kiran Seshadri Saripalli, student of Masters in Design at IIT Delhi. This video was made as part of my coursework and talks about how communication and design are integrated with each other and how almost everything around us is designed with a purpose and communicates with us, be it natural things or man-made things. Let us try and understand what exactly is a design. A design is a strategic plan for the construction of an object or a system within constraints, as well as a design can be imaginary and impractical with no constraints at all. One of the strategic approaches can be defined with specifications, plans, parameters, costs and activities within constraints like legal constraints, political constraints, social, environmental, safety and economic constraints. Whereas design can also be something with no constraint at all, like art or graphic. So how does various things communicate with us? Let's see a few examples. What comes in your mind when you see the following images? When you see a supercar, it gives the feeling of being fast, aggressive, bold, sexy and hot. Similarly, when you see an amazingly designed operating system, it provides you with a feedback of being easy to use, clear, clutter-free and user-friendly. But then, is design just to do with look and feel of objects? Is this the only way design communicates with us, or is there more to it? Let us now focus on a derivative of design, that is a pattern. So what is a pattern and how can you define it? Something that is repetitive, a sequence, an arrangement, or maybe a system, or many more ways of defining what a pattern is. A pattern is a specific order or sequence which can be symmetric or asymmetric, man-made or natural, which results in regularity and predictability of a form. Now we have an idea of what a pattern is. Now let's understand the elements of a pattern. So what consists of a pattern? Basic lines, curves, dots and geometrical shapes. So how are these patterns formed and what influences them? The surroundings, environment, the culture, ethnicity, tradition or maybe geography. These can be few such elements which shape a pattern. Like this first image on the left, it immediately reflects and relates to Rajasthan, the place from where it comes from. The second one from Kashmir, and the last from the northeast. So these are patterns formed on the basis of geography and people who stay there, and they define it. Here we see different shapes. I'm sure you will agree if I say they are elements of a pattern. Can you recognize what are they forming? Maybe now. Well, they are all first letters of 5 different languages formed using different lines and curves. I'm sure you would agree if I say language or script is a design with an integrated pattern in it which helps us communicate. So what exactly is a language? Language is a tool of communication which is spoken and written. It is a structural pattern which provides a meaningful expression. It integrates different signages, symbols, gestures, and rules. I would like to conclude this video by saying language and script are man-made designs within constraints which really show how design and communication are very much integrated with each other. Thanks for watching and do follow me on Facebook and YouTube.